Happy 4th of July, everybody. This isn't going to be anything really crazy going on, but we do got some potatoes in there baking up in the Traeger. Me and baby Miles are all going out to have fun. I'm actually working on the 4th of July, but I just wanted to come on here. This is only going to be a couple minutes long and just tell you guys happy 4th of July.
Look how cute Miles' little outfit is. He's got a shirt that says All American Dude and little shorts.
Yeah.
His whiskey throttle, red, white, and blue hat.
So we are going to go and get some sparklers. This is his first 4th of July. I know we're in between making takeover videos, but I just wanted to give you guys something give you guys something from our hearts to yours and just say happy 4th. We love our country. We're very, very pro-America, and we love the freedom that it has given us. I've traveled all over the world, believe it or not, and America has a lot more freedoms than some places do. I don't know. So we're sitting here. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to say next. I don't know.
We're going to get sparklers.
Yeah, we're going to get some sparklers real quick.
Yeah. Want some sparklers, Miles? Yeah. We drove the golf cart to the firework tent. That's what we do around here. Some little waffle cones, ice cream.
Waffle cones?
What do you think of these, Miles? She said that they're pretty, not loud, just pretty. Want to do these and some sparklers? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Let's do it. Okay. Let's get some sparklers. I'm excited. Yeah! Do you want to do actual sparklers or these that...
I don't know, get whatever.
I'll just get these.
Yeah.
I'll just keep it away from mine.
What are you guys doing for 4th of July? It's funny because a lot of my friends are at the dunes. They're like, you should come to the dunes. And I'm like, man, I was at the dunes for like 10 days straight. It felt like I'm burnt out. So we're just going to do it at home.
Oh, and here is this too for the 23rd and 24th. Just
For Pioneer Day?
Oh,
awesome. Thank you.
Okay, so we got some fireworks. Like I said, this isn't going to be a long video, but I did want to take a second. I was just trying to think about what I was trying to say. We're not a political channel at all, but like I said at the beginning of this, we are pro-America, and I just want you guys out there to be super grateful. In the world that we're in now, there's so much just stupidity going on in politics, and everybody's angry at each other, and I just don't believe that that's the way. I think that America should be about love and should be about freedom and having that ability to just do what you want, start your own business, start your own YouTube or whatever it may be. Just be grateful that we have so many awesome freedoms out here. And I really do appreciate how great America is. And hell, go to Mexico. I've been there, I've lived there. Like,
we
go to
Mexico City on the way to Costa Rica.
Literally, funny story. We went down to Mexico's. We were going to Costa Rica, and we went to a bar, and these 3 Mexicans. I'm Mexican, by the way, so I don't think I'm being racist. These 3 Mexicans tried to block off me and somebody who used to be a friend, who turned out to be whatever. From getting to our wives who were in the ATM area, and I ended up snatching up all 3 of them and throwing them on the ground. I had to fight 3 Mexicans down there. The
server told us don't go past the hotel.
Yeah, he did say don't go that way, but I'm adventurous, and I don't know. Anyway, so that was an interesting story. Moral of the story is we didn't end up getting robbed. I put somebody against the wall. It was a crazy. I have so many stories. I just want to start a channel just telling stories about the crazinesses we've gone through. But the point I'm trying to make, America's freaking awesome. It's really awesome. Look at that. Awesome. And I know that he has the opportunity to do anything he wants when he grows up. And that makes me happy.
Yeah.
So, anyways, like I said, this isn't a long video, guys. This is just a happy 4th of July video. I'm like 98% done editing Sunday's video. I think it's freaking awesome. I'm wondering, do you guys like these longer rides that I'm leaving in there? I'm not really editing them too much, so I'm wondering if you guys are liking it. I hope so, because this next one's got a lot of riding in it too, Hillfest and all that cool stuff. But we're gonna smoke some baked potatoes, smoke some steaks. If you never smoked a steak before, you should do it. because it's delicious.
Yeah,
and then you reverse sear
and then sear it. Yeah, I get that crisp Pittsburgh style.
I like it a little charred on the outside, but nice and juicy on the
Medium
inside.
rare on the inside, yeah.
Yeah, so tell us what you're doing. I'm going to edit this really quick and upload it, so it'll just pop up randomly here in about an hour after recording it. And we're going to say goodbye for now. And happy 4th of July. Tell me what you guys are doing in the comments below for your 4th of July weekend.
Happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Day.
Yay!
Land of the free because of the brave.
That's right. If you're out riding, hope you be safe. See you later, guys. Bye.